Yeah. Yo, y'all, I got pulled in for level 1 inspection here in almost in Jackson, Tennessee, off of I-40. And yeah, this what we doing. He's waiting on me right there. Get right back to you. Everything in order though. Yo, can you see that? Go with this. Greetings ain't no joke. Y'all, I'm headed to York, PA. 7,200 pounds on my ass. I don't have nothing. But here we go. Joke out here, y'all. You can still come out here and truck it up, though. Yo, y'all see it? You see it? I'm on 81 northbound. You guys headed to York, PA. And I got caught in the WinterStorm here. All right. So when you got things like this going on, make sure you have a tank full of fuel. DEF. Right now, I am on half a tank of fuel, and my DEF is cool. We straight. Don't mind that check engine light. It's always a check fault, but nothing is wrong. It's a sensor. That's all. Nothing's wrong with the truck. But yeah, you guys, this is what I'm doing, man. I'm just sitting here waiting for everything to move on. I got about 160 miles from where I need to be. I don't know if I'm going to make it there. I know this load had to be there at 3 o'clock their time. I'm not sure if it's going to make it there on time today or not. So we'll see. We'll see. Yo, look at this shit, man. Damn. Y'all, I've been sitting here this whole time, didn't even see this. Look at that. Man. Bad out here, man. Man, that truck laying right over there in that median. I didn't even see it. Got one of these things in handy, y'all. Yeah. I bought this thing when I was in, I think I was in Buffalo, New York, like a month or so ago. And, I mean, I handed, man. need this type of stuff on your truck, get you some stuff like this on your truck. Yeah. It's enough to get it off and keep it moving. Man, it's all frozen up, man. Man. Brook, Virginia exit. You guys know anything about I-81, you know what Tom Brooks is. You know what it is. I think it's the exit 297, 291, something like that. Anyway, this is the Tom Brooks exit to the Loves. You got the pilot right here. So, yeah, man. Yeah, man. I want to know if they shutting PA down. I just got word that they shutting it down up through there. So I got to go to York, so I have to see. Do a little research. But I got to stop in here, you guys, and give me some fuel right here at the pilot. And I will keep you guys informed. Yes. What the hell is this? I just lost my windshield wiper. Look at that. Turn around and go back to the truck stop. So you guys, as I was riding down the road and I just cleared the Tom Brook truck stop, the pilot, I got out on the interstate, you guys, and I did like a little swipe with my, and look, I lost the whole blade, the whole driver's side blade. So I had to turn around, y'all. I had to go probably about 4 miles down the road and turn around and come back. Now I gotta give me a windshield wiper blade and put it on and keep it trucking. Come on.
Are you the one on commercial master recorder? Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, yep, you still here for this one.
$10.52.
Yeah, what sort?
Yeah, but don't worry about it.
Alright, good.
Both sides are done, you guys. I just actually, I bought one at first, and then I went back in and bought another one just in case, because it'll be just my look that it might fly off again. So I just got 2 matching windshield wiper blades this time. So I got them all clipped in, you guys. It only took me maybe like 2 minutes, and that was it, man. I'm about to get on down the road. Made it, y'all. You made it. You made it to York, PA. In this thing. We made it, y'all. We made it safely. I made it safely up in this jump. I made it safe, man. Yeah. Woo. This place is called, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah.